The staff and associates of the Historic Hotel Bethlehem welcome you to Bethlehem and our award-winning hotel. Whether you are here for business or for pleasure, it is our pleasure to make you feel at home while you're with us. Please relax and enjoy this brief introduction to the Hotel Bethlehem's amenities and surrounding features. Thank you for choosing the Historic Hotel Bethlehem on your visit to the Lehigh Valley. You've made the right choice. Both the hotel and the staff are one of a kind. We take great pride in our friendly and professional service. If we have overlooked anything, please let us know. For a traveler, we feel it's good to come to a hotel and be greeted by a warm, friendly face.
Welcome to Historic Hotel Bethlehem.
Bethlehem is a dynamic city rich in its historic significance. The hotel is located in the heart of the Moravian Historic Landmark District with its museums and original 18th century structures still in use today. The district has been named to the U.S. tentative list for World Heritage consideration. USA Today named downtown Bethlehem a top 10 Main Street. A short stroll up Main Street leads you to Historic Bethlehem's Visitor Center. Directly across the street, you'll find the Moravian Bookstore, which is the world's oldest continuously operated bookstore. Main Street features art galleries, quaint one-of-a-kind boutiques, specialty shops, and even a Celtic shop. The hotel itself contributes to this unique shopping experience with its ladies' fashion and ice cream shop. Each spring, Bethlehem is host to the Bach Festival. In August, the Historic Hotel Bethlehem is at the center of the 10-day Music Fest celebration. Fall brings the Celtic Classic Highland Games to our neighborhood, and the entire hotel staff contributes to the spirit. There is no more beautiful place to spend Christmas than in Bethlehem, the Christmas City. Bethlehem and the Lehigh Valley are home to some of the top universities in the country, such as Lehigh, Lafayette, DeSales, and our neighbor Moravian University right here on Main Street. Also of note, Moravian University is the 6th oldest college in the United States and the first to educate women.
I'm Kelly Ronalds, Chief Experience Officer at Historic Hotel Bethlehem. This structure that we're in now was built in 1922 at the direction of Charles M. Schwab. He was the president of Bethlehem Steel and wanted to have an elegant hotel for his customers and guests. Some of the first guests were Thomas Edison and Henry Ford. They were here a number of times. Schwab himself had a suite in the hotel. We still have the same suite. 1741 on the Terrace was the original veranda solarium of the hotel. It had been covered with wall-to-wall carpeting for about 40 years. One year the padding came up and we noticed that we had these beautiful tiles. They were historic Moravian tiles from the Moravian Tile Works in Doylestown. These same tiles grace the capital of Pennsylvania in Harrisburg and the historic casino in Monte Carlo. Historic Hotel Bethlehem is a proud member of Historic Hotels of America, which is a branch of the National Trust for Historic Preservation.
Other members include the Williamsburg Inn, the Hotel Hershey, and the Plaza Hotel in New York City. Historic Hotel Bethlehem was recently named the #1 best historic hotel in the country by USA Today. Discover more about our beautifully restored hotel in this coffee table book available in our shop in the lower lobby level. The shop is not your ordinary hotel gift shop. It offers a unique variety of women's clothing, jewelry, purses, hats, scarves, wraps, and special gifts. The shop is located in the lower lobby level of the hotel next to our Hall of History, including our 1920s speakeasy. Directly across the street from the hotel is our Hotel B ice cream parlor, serving Penn State Creamery ice cream. This unique venue also serves fresh baked pies, waffle sundaes, old-time candies, and our secret recipe for Moravian sugar cake.
Enjoy your Penn State Creamery ice cream.
We have 125 guest rooms, 19 of which are larger suites. Every room has its own unique charm, featuring amenities such as gourmet coffee makers, spacious work desks, and complimentary fiber optic Wi-Fi throughout the entire hotel. All guest bathrooms offer Italian marble and period fixtures. The marble floor of the hotel was drawn from the same vein that was used by Michelangelo.
Guests of the Historic Hotel Bethlehem may enjoy award-winning cuisine and wine pairings at any time through our 24-hour in-room dining service, all freshly prepared by our culinary team. Guests of Historic Hotel Bethlehem may enjoy all-day casual dining in the tap room or evening dining with an amazing view at 1741 on the Terrace. Both of our restaurants feature locally sourced ingredients. We feature artisan farmstead cheeses from the farm at Doe Run Dairy. Godshaw Farms provides us with a variety of fresh produce straight from their fields. Our very own 18th century Burnside plantation run by volunteers delivers us a plethora of fresh vegetables throughout the summer. Diners looking out the windows of the tap room view historic Main Street, while inside is truly where the action happens. If Who's Who is your passion, there is no better place than the tap room. Proudly adorning the walls are portraits of our distinguished former guests. You'll be in great company with John F. Kennedy, Tony Bennett, and certainly with His Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama. Begin your day with breakfast in the tap room while the sun is rising. View our extensive menu, including everything from a classic breakfast menu to Belgian waffles to the avocado sourdough toast. Later in the day, guests may enjoy a signature cocktail or craft beer to enhance their dining experience. There's something for everyone. It's a wonderful getaway. The tap room is the Lehigh Valley's premier jazz venue. Every Thursday, our guests can enjoy live performances by jazz legends from the Lehigh Valley and beyond. You will be awestruck by the beauty and elegance of 1741 on the Terrace, historically restored to the original solarium design. The ambiance will take your breath away. Soaring Palladian windows overlook picturesque views of the blacksmith shop in the National Historic Landmark District. At the end of Main Street is Moravian University, and beyond is the mountain landscape, home to Lehigh University. The famous Star of Bethlehem sits atop the mountain, providing a guiding light to our visitors every night since 1937. We have paired a classic menu now available in both venues and an excellent wine list with exceptional service to create a wonderful dining experience you will never forget. We have received the Wine Spectator Award of Excellence for several years running. We are consistently near the top of TripAdvisor's Bethlehem restaurant rankings. Open Table has rated our signature Sunday brunch one of the top 100 brunches in the country. The extravagant display includes made-to-order omelets, waffle station, carving station, fresh seafood, a chocolate fountain, and petite desserts. Historic Hotel Bethlehem offers over 19,000 square feet of flexible meeting space. We can accommodate smaller groups for interviews or boardroom sessions for 2 to 10 people. We can also host 200 to 400 guests for a meeting or banquet-style reception. We have the ability and flexibility to host any type of event. Our meeting rooms offer the flexibility that is perfect for corporate and association conferences. Our staff specializes in creating those special moments for weddings, reunions, anniversaries, and all types of special events. The hotel offers 2 distinct and unique ballrooms. Our grand ballroom is perfect for 250 guests and provides incomparable balconies overlooking the ballroom. Our mural ballroom, which is home to the George Gray murals, is ideal for 150 guests. We recently opened the 5,000 square foot Executive Conference Center to host medium-sized business meetings up to 75 guests.
Historic Hotel Bethlehem is truly a step back in time with modern amenities. The grandeur of the lobby, the high ceilings, the balconies, 1741 on the Terrace with its beautiful and original Moravian tiles. There is nothing like it in the Lehigh Valley.